Hello everyone. Control panel is a very important part of Windows operating system. All the function of Windows can be controlled using control panel. There are a number of options of going to control panel. We can open control panel from my computers also. So I am clicking on this button and getting panel open on my computer. It is taking time. There are different views to view different items present in control panel. You can view it as large icons or small icons or category wise. It's up to you which view you take. I'm taking small icons view. Let us try to update Windows settings. Using this setting, we can set auto update for Windows installed on our computer. Here, a list of available updates is shown to you. We can install updates by clicking on this button. Let's go to another category. Program and features category. This allows you to uninstall any program. Select the application you want to uninstall and click uninstall button. Such let me uninstall Skype. So I am selecting Skype version and clicking on uninstall button. It is asking for confirmation, and after getting confirmation, this app is going to be removed from my computer. Now let's go back to another item. Personalization. In personalization category, the background of the computer can be changed. We can take any background from the list. We can take library pictures also. Whatever picture we select and click on button save changes, the background will be changed. You can see it from here. Whole picture is not being displayed. Similarly, we can change color and screensaver also. Click on the screensaver. Take any screensaver you want. Click on apply button. So when we stop working in our computer, a screensaver can be set to be displayed. This was the procedure to set the screensaver. Now we will go back to control panel items. We can change any setting from this category. Let us check on date and times option. Using this category, we can change the date and time. Moreover, there is a provision to change time zone also. We take this time zone by default. If we wish, we can change this time zone and we click on OK button. Now, moreover, we have administrative tools feature, which shows which tools we have installed on our computers. Whole list will be displayed to you and we can use these features in our computers to run various programs. Similarly, we can check a number of options. Every option we can check it on. We have internet option. Using this option, we can change the settings for internet. What should be the security level? What should be the privacy level? Which content is to be displayed? All these settings can be changed using internet properties. This is all about control panel. Thank you.